Alright guys, working on the 2000 Suzuki King Quad. A while back I put new hub bearings in it, and these CV boots, they almost look like they've been chewed on by a squirrel at some point. So got some new ones here, so we're gonna put them on today. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we got it jacked up, got the wheels off, and we'll take this cotter pin out and we'll get this nut off. And it looks like this is a 30 millimeter. And there's the hub. Okay, so up next, there's this bolt here. We'll take that out. There's that one right there that holds this arm on, and then probably take this lower shock bolt out, and then we should be able to get this shaft out of here. Alright, we got those three out. They're all 14 millimeter. And this should come out of here like that. And those new bearings I put in, you can kind of see it there. There's two of them in there. Okay, now let's see if this comes out. Thinking it should just pull out. There we go. So there's our old boot. You can see how chewed up it is. All right, let's get the new one on. Alright, so just comparing these two, you can see how chewed up that one is. And the number for the boot is right here. And then I got the clamps, that's this number. Alright, so we got our clamp on, and we'll go ahead and slide this new boot on. Alright, took a bit of wrestling to get this on there, but finally got it on. And this clamp, so it should just be able to, something like that, just fold it over. And then these tabs lock it down. So I'll have to get a pliers on that. So it's all locked down. Alright, we'll put the shaft in now. So that U-joint was kind of straight up and down, so you kind of want to time these. You don't want it like off 45 degrees. So I'm going to try to put this in straight. Kind of like that. Okay, I looked at my other King Quad. I actually have two of these, and That one just used a zip tie on this end, so I just put a black zip tie on there. And this is sealed well enough anyway, so you probably wouldn't need anything, but... All right, so this side's done. I kept this bolt out for now because I'm actually in the process of mounting this plow mount. So the bolt goes through here for that. All right, thanks for watching.